We are given that the slope of the curve is 3 times the y coordinate of p. So let's write down this statement into mathematical equivalent. We know that the slope is given by dy over dx. So I write down dy over dx. This equals 3 times the y coordinate of point P. So we can write down this as 3y. So therefore, this is a differential equation which can be solved using a variables separable method. I write down this shortly as VSM. So I'm going to separate the variables, that is this y variable to the left side and the dx to the right side. So therefore, this becomes dy over y equals 3 dx. Now we integrate both sides so that we can solve for y. So I integrate, I put this integration symbol. Integration of 1 by y dy is natural logarithm of y, and this equals integration of 3 dx is 3x. 3 is a constant and integration of dx is x. So we will have 3x plus we will have the integration constant c. Let me write down this as a natural logarithm of c. So this is the equation that we get. We will solve for y from this one. I subtract natural logarithm of c from this equation, and using the properties of logarithm, this will combine with the natural logarithm of c, and we can then write down natural logarithm of y over c equals 3x. Now we exponentiate both sides. So that is we exponentiate like this e raised to the power of 3x. We know that exponentiation e as well as this natural logarithm, they are inverse function and they cancel out. So we get y over c equals this side we have e raised to the power of 3x. So this implies we solve for y, and this gives y equals c times of e power 3x. So this is the general equation of the curve. Now using the point 0 comma 6 where the curve passes through this point, we can solve for c from this equation. So basically we have to plug in this point into this equation, that is x equals 0 and y equals 6. And when you do that, I replace y by 6. This equals c e raised to the power of 3 times of 0. So this gives 6 equals c times of e raised to the power of 3 times of 0 is 0, and e raised to the power of 0 is 1. So basically this becomes c times of c is c. So we get the value of c equals 6. Now we substitute this value of c into the general equation, which will give us the uh, equation of the curve. So therefore the equation of the curve is y equals, replacing c by 6, we get 6e raised to the power of 3x. So this is the equation of the curve.